Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know that I'm making a bunch of exciting videos, but in this video, I'm going to be making platform shoes. Yes, this is I've made actually a bunch of stage platform shoes for some of my musical events and costumes and stuff. I've made a couple pairs like this, but here I'm showing you my secret trick on how to make platform shoes quick and cheaply. Basically everything I had there was from Walmart or I already had it in my house. So yeah, check it out, like, subscribe, and then follow me on social media as well. Links in the bio. Bye. Okay, so this is my materials that you will need. You will need Gorilla Tape, scissors, Walmart shoes. It had to be Walmart. It all depends on how bougie you were. I didn't really want to spend a lot of money. These are only $8.97, and these flip-flops are only $1, but you'll need about 4 pairs of flip-flops. Honestly, it all depends on how big you want the platform to be. And then you can find a metal coat hanger around your house along with some metal clippers. And then you can get, this is a high I think volt. It's a hotter glue gun. It's a high temp one, but you can get that pack of tans. It all depends on how much money you have to spend. And I just had one laying around my house, and then get the big glue sticks because you're going to use a lot of glue. Yes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut all the labels off of your flip-flops. And then what you're going to want to do is unlace them. So then next you're going to start the gluing process. And what you're going to do is the different colored one. You're always going to want to get a different colored one, just so you know. And then what you're going to do is you're going to layer them up about 4 high. And then you're going to start the gluing process. And what you're going to do is glue each flip-flop together. So now what you're going to want to do is then glue the shoe to the flip-flops then. And then you're going to want to glue around the edge too. So you're going to want to do a glob of glue here and a glob of glue here. And you're going to press that down, and then you're going to glue around the edges. Okay, so what next you're going to do is you're going to take this, and then you're going to cut two, well, I guess you could just do one if you wanted to. One in the middle. You're going to cut a little bar that will go through all the flip-flops that will connect the shoe to the flip-flops. Then you're going to bend the one end and bend the other end into the flip-flop and then into the shoe, so that way you're not stepping on just like that and it'll hurt when you walk. But it'll help keep them secure. And then for this next part, you might actually need a hammer. And then next what you're going to do is you're going to take your Gorilla Tape, then wrap your tape all the way around until you get to around the bottom. So now what you're going to do is then you're going to lace them up, and then you're going to wear them. But also what I'm not going to do in this video, but you can do, is if you have you can take your scissors if you want to, cut off all these loose ends, and then warm up a waffle iron, and stick these on the bottom of the waffle iron. Well, if you don't plan on using the waffle iron again, or if you're really good at cleaning things, you can do it. I probably won't use it again, but then you just stick the bottoms of these on there, and then it will make a grip for the bottom of the platform for extra traction. And it's so funny because with that, the owner of Nike, when he started first selling his shoes, that's what he did, is he like would customize dress shoes, then he'd take the bottoms of them, melt them down on a waffle iron, and that's how he got his grip. And then that's how like people like thought they were sharp, because they had the cool design on the bottom of them, and it helped them gain traction for track, and then it just escalated to all sports. But yeah, there's a quick history lesson. But yeah, now you can lace these bad bitches up and wear them around. And yeah, do not get hot glue on them, that kind of sucks, but I can clean it off.